How to fix phone fee notification not coming and not receiving problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix phone fee notification not showing up. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, you could do or try checking for your internet connection. So simply swipe down and then long press the internet connection, and then you could try disabling or maybe restarting. That might also be able to help. Now, other than that, you can also check for notification. So go to settings on your device. On this section, you want to click on app section, after which click on see all apps, locate PhonePe from the section. So here it is. You then need to click on notification, so toggle the button for these, and that's how you could fix it so as well. Now, other than that, what you could also do is, if the issue still persists on, check for an update. So head over to your respective app store, tap on the search bar, and then you want to go ahead and type in PhonePe, and this way as well you should be able to fix PhonePe notification not showing. So these are some of the ways you could fix PhonePe notification not coming and not receiving problem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.